Good morning, girls. Good morning. Pasok na kayo?
Opo.
Ganun ba? Saan ka papasok?
Montessori.
Ikaw?
GIS.
GSIS. Ano yung pagkain nyo?
Ate.
Masarap ba yan?
Opo.
Ganun ba? Pingin man! Ano kinakain mo?
Mama.
Ikaw?
Bus na.
Bus na? Ikaw? Bus na din?
Not yet.
Ako, bus na eh. Ayan. Anong gusto? Ate, isa pa daw squid ball.
Chow my God.
Tsaka isa pa daw pork siomai.
Oh my God.
Tingnan nyo to si Angry Bird. Fish cake na Angry Bird. Yan. Hi guys! So today's workout is cardio plus kickboxing by Fitness Blender. So newly uploaded video nila yon. And when I was browsing in my YouTube account, I saw that new video by Fitness Blender. And I watched it. And it seems really interesting and it's not that hard to do. So I downloaded a video. And then today I did that workout and it's really awesome. I like boxing and jabbing, uppercut, hooks, and whatever. And yeah, it's really interesting. I had fun doing that workout and pinagpawisan talaga ako. Kakapagod nga lang siya. Siyempre, first time kong ginawa yan eh. And I think I'm going to do that more often kasi lahat gumagalaw eh. Arms, legs, yung katawan. Kasi nga meron din siyang cardio intervals. Yun, so it's a complete workout kasama ng warm-up, stretching, cool-down, mga ganun. So if you want to know that, if you want to see that workout routine by Fitness Blender, I'm going to put the link in the information box below, or you can simply visit their YouTube account. It's Fitness Blender, youtube.com/fitnessblender. Yun. And I'm just going to rest for a while, and today's our worship service since it's Thursday, and then tomorrow I have an exam. One subject lang. Then after that, I have a makeup gig. So after my exam, I have to run to Makati because meron kaming makeup gig with Queen Bee. And it's a company called, I think it's Datem. I forgot. But they have a, you know, like a ball. So yun, seven ladies hair and makeup. And then on Saturday, I want to take this time to invite you guys on Saturday. It's the Beauty Sorority Makeup Party by Say Artillero. And we'll be there. Me and Joyce will be, you know, doing makeovers and makikiparty sa inyo. So if you want to join the party, I'm going to put the link of Miss Say's blog post about that so you'll know more about the makeup party. Meron ticket. It's 2,500 pesos. Pero if you're going to, you know, and if you're going to text, say, under my reservation or Joyce's reservation, then you'll get 500 off. So, 2,000 na lang. So, I'm just going to put all the details in the information box below so that you can join. And, yun, kapagod. Hi, baby!
Hi.
Asan ka?
Sa garden.
Wow, guarding maliit. Dressing niya, balsamic vinegar. Yan. Taba.
Yep.
Yan. Tapos, light mayo. Yan. Nakita ko yun sa internet. Meron pang shallots kaso kahit na wag na. So, una muna, mayonnaise. Ano eh, depende na rin yan sa timpla nyo. Pero yung nakita ko, ganyan karami. 1 teaspoon daw nito. Pero tinatansya ko na lang siya usually. So, yan muna. Baho talaga yan. Tapos haluin nyo lang. And it looks, kadiri. Diba? For now. Pero pag nahalo na yan, Kelly Rebels na yan. If you wanna add more balsamic, go ahead and do that. Pero gusto ko pa siyang dagdagan ng konting balsamic. Konti lang. Konti lang. Oops! Okay.
Si Barefoot, ang dami.
Si Barefoot. Anyway, okay lang. It since balsamic naman yun. Kaso matapang yung flavor niyan. Yan. So, after you mix your dressing, so, ito na yung salad. Lika. So, ayan yung romaine lettuce. Laus. 2 2 hard-boiled eggs. And then 1 whole mango. Actually, hindi na whole kasi wala na yung buto niya. Hindi ko na yung buto, yung laman doon. Tapos, ida-dice yan. So, ito na yung dalawang egg. So, bahala kayo kung gusto nyo yung slice yan o kainin nyo ng ganyan. Pero yan na. Tada! That's my food for today. I can't wait to eat it. So, it may seem na marami, dalawang hard-boiled egg, tapos marami sa hindi. Ganyan talaga kasi pagka nabasa ko, if you wanna lose weight daw, dapat na sa amin protein and eggs protein. Tsaka yan yung nakita kong recipe eh. Bakit ba? Tapos, yung ibang nga, 4 pa yung hard-boiled egg na kinakain nila, pero hindi ganun ang gagawin ko. Tapos, kung gusto mo naman yung parang konti lang yung malus mo, damihan mo daw yung carbs. Pero yung talagang nagpapapayat ka, mas madami dapat yung proteins. And, yan, ito yung dressing niya, mayo with balsamic vinegar. Kung gusto nyo lagyan ng shallots, lagyan nyo. Pero, wala akong shallots. Kita sa video.
Hello mga bata.
Sino yan?
Wala.
Ito si Imelda Marcos. Yes, madam. Ito. Sino to? Si Kian. ito. Sino to? Si Piso. Piso girl. Ayan, sino yan?
Hi ka.
Sino ka?
Hi.
Sino ka ba?
Who are you though?
Ha? Ha?
Elvira Denise El Castro.
Ayos ah. Saan tayo pupunta, guys?
Church.
Magawin na chariots. Yeah. May mga posing na ganyan eh. Magawin na church.
Signature pose ko kaya.
Paano? Si Kian, ano signature pose? Ito. Ano signature pose? Ito, ano signature pose? Ganyan na. Ganyan na. Ikaw, ano signature pose mo? 1, 2, 3. Signature pose. Mga basic ang mga to. Si Mami Log, ano signature pose? Yes, may kausap sa phone. Call center agent. Ito, from head to toe.
Check mo din, pa-check mo rin kung ano. No, kaya nga eh. Kaya sabi ko sa kanya, naka-off pa naman yun. Sabi ko katabi pa raw nandun. Katabi pa daw naman.
From toe to head.
Siguro baka late na, wala ka na rin siguro. Kaya nga eh.
Nagulat. Ang tagal naman. We're so late now. Like, oh my God. This is our street. This is our street. Ha? Project 7-8 tayo?